In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 12i, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode. Begin by launching settings and scrolling all the way down to access accessibility features. Then tap on senior mode over here and click on gray switcher next to it to activate it. Then manage all of those options however you want to, and when you finished, go back. As you can see, after that, easy mode is on. If you wish to go back to the standard one, click on the same settings, select senior mode again, and tap on the no blue switcher at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!